Hey guys, it's Giridhar here from G Phone Tech, and today I'm going to talk to you about a TV from a relatively new brand called the Treeview. The model I have with me is called the IND4305ST, and this one is available in offline stores for a price tag of Rs 23,990. Treeview is a popular consumer electronics brand in Thailand, and they have landed here in India in partnership with Q3 Ventures. These TVs are made in India in their factory in Gujarat. As of now, the Treeview TVs are available only in offline stores. Alright, let's get this thing out of the box and check it out. Apart from the TV, you get two plastic stands and screws for desktop mounting. You also get a remote along with two AAA batteries. There is also a wall mounting bracket and screws if you are interested in that. You also get the usual paperwork like the warranty and the user manual. At the back of the TV, you find all the ports lined up. You get two AV in ports, two USB ports, 3 HDMI ports, but unfortunately no ARC support, one VGA port to connect to your PC, one LAN port to connect to the internet. Of course, it does have the Wi-Fi, but it only has the 2.4 GHz. So if you need a faster connection without any buffering, you might have to connect using the RJ45 Ethernet port. You also get an optical output port for audio and a 3.5mm jack for connecting your earphones. There is also no support for Bluetooth in this TV. Setting up is fairly a simple process. Just have to plug it into the power and switch it on. You can start using the TV straight away without having to connect to the internet, but if you like to use the smart TV features, you will have to connect to an internet. This TV has a few applications preloaded like the Netflix, Amazon Prime, YouTube and Hotstar, but if you are interested in any other applications, you can get into the App Store preloaded on this TV and install any apps of your choice. Side-loading Android APK is also possible. This TV runs on AOSP Android 9.0. This is not an official certified Android version, but you get to install all the application that is compatible with any Android TV. Another advantage of having a certified Android TV is the official Google Chromecast support, and this TV does not have that, so they have given an external third-party application which helps you mirror your mobile phone onto this TV. And if you are an Apple user, this TV also supports AirPlay. Let's talk about the design. This particular model, IND4305, is a bezel-less or a slim bezel model. As they claim, the bezels are very thin and it is made of glossy plastic and runs all around the display evenly. The TV is pretty lightweight, and I wish to compensate for the lightweight, they could have given a metal stand to get a stable grip when desk mounted. But that's alright, the TV looks good and the build quality is also good for the price. More importantly, let's talk about the picture quality. Straight away, I find the viewing angles to be really good. It's got good color contrast and the saturation levels are natural. There are a lot of preset modes to adjust the picture quality according to your need, and I preferred dynamic mode in it. Well, this display does not support HDR if that was what running on your mind right now. Let's talk about the audio quality. It's got a 20-watt speaker and the sound is pretty good for a TV of this size. I have it in my room which is about 16 feet by 10 feet, and in this room I didn't find a need for having an external soundbar. The sound was pretty loud, but don't expect heavy thumping deep bass. The voice clarity is good and the music also sounds good. The TV comes with a remote control which looks like a traditional remote and not a smart TV remote control. One issue I found with the remote control is that certain buttons are really tough to click. Apart from the usual channel buttons and navigation buttons and mute button, you also get shortcut buttons to open applications like Netflix, YouTube and Hotstar. There are additional buttons which helps you take a screenshot, open the media player or even start the screen sharing application. Build quality of the remote control is decent. Almost everything here sounds good for the price tag, but what about service? Treeview claims that they have around 600 service centers across the country. They give you support for installation, and if you face any issue, you can call up their customer care service center and they will help you fix it. These TVs are exclusively available in offline stores. So if you have any other concerns, you can also walk into these stores and have them addressed. Well, that's it for now, and if you have any other questions or queries regarding this Treeview IND4305ST, do feel free to ask your comments in the comment section below. I hope you like this video. Until I catch up with you in the next video, this is Giridhar signing off. Goodbye. Signing off.